Most Shilajit honey online is fake. Here are 3 quick tests to catch it in seconds. Warm water solubility. Squeeze a little Shilajit honey into warm water and stir. Real Shilajit turns the water uniformly brown, with no residue or oil layer. If it separates, leaves chalky bits, or forms an oily film, red flag. Flame burn behavior. Place a tiny drop on a spoon and heat gently. Authentic Shilajit bubbles and melts without catching fire. If it burns like plastic or gives off a harsh chemical smell, it's likely adulterated. Texture and temperature. At room temp, it should be sticky, tar-like, and pliable. It softens with warmth and hardens when cooled. Rock hard or syrupy runny at all temperatures. Probably not real. Bonus, honey for the honey base. Pure honey resists dissolving instantly in water and doesn't soak through blotting paper. Overly runny or quick dissolving may signal dilution. Lab-certified purity is best. Test your Shilajit honey today and comment real or fake with what you found. Save and share this before the next purchase.